Just thought I'd share this rack I built. I've had a few over the years, but I'm quite happy with this one, so I thought I'd share it with you. Got to get rid of some of this crap. As you can see, I haven't got a huge amount of room in there to be building things. This thing's 8 foot square, so if I want to build anything bigger, they get in the way. But I made it 4x1. I laid 6 of them by the side of each other, and then laid these across, glued them in, and laid 6 more on top, so there was a long plank with bits in between, and then just ripped it down into these individual pieces. Each one's 2x1 space. These come out, position them wherever I want. See, at the moment these are spare, I can take them out, put them wherever I want. Got a couple of longer ones here that bring it out to about here for when I'm spraying big frames and things, but as you can see, it's quite strong. Got beech planks up there, some rubbish on there that needs to get rid of as well. These things are just foam packing, place on there if I want to protect anything. But yeah, if I want to make it bigger, I can just take all of these strips out, pack them behind there, and I've got the full floor area then. At the moment, at the bottom there, old chop saw, stand for it. That's just a box I use for standing on sometimes. But yeah, quite happy with that. There's some rubbish up there. Fairly simple to make, fairly strong. I've had it full of doors that I've been spraying black at the moment, so everything gets a bit of black on it. And it's snowing. Anyway, there you go, just thought I'd share that.